have to get the more burnishing between the frame. Is very imperative. Okay, so some people make this ones really thick. No, I don't like that. The reason is that P1 is beautiful. There's no pink porcelain. The problem is the strength, because we have to make the individualized section front size more deeper. But the problem is the occlusion contact. You're all the time watching it. Okay, with natural teeth, with the fake teeth, it's just pounding, just like 0.1 tone. Okay, oh, it's just really. Anyway, that's why that one, even here, okay, even this is broke. And also, I all the time mention it. Let me take it out. This all the time I mention about here. Sorry, like this. Okay, and put it in the top, the lower. Okay, that's okay. This is a fracture already. The main problem is this. Like that, biting. You see, that one is the main problem. What's the main problem? They get cracking. Okay. Why? So think about it. The inside, we have to make the individual looking from the inside. So we just section it, more grinding in between the teeth, make individualism. But the other issue is a huge panic, and this side is more heavier than the other. So here is we found the solution for hybrid bar with the titanium. It's really light, okay? And then fabricate it. First, we have to design first, and then we just put it in there and make sure the all fit it, okay? Make sure the all tissue is right, and then we add it before we go to the finer. When we go down to the tissue, which is patient has like that, okay? And then that one we have to go down to make sure they're all seated. So there's no porcelain, no gap, no zirconia, and here that's the essential. And top of this, it's not this. Top of this, just like sleeve, like the glove, like that. Okay. So, and then we protect about this. Remember, here's is more issue. So we protect it more longer, panic, that make the one solid area, which is very shine and good frame design. We not compromises aesthetic too. So we're going to cement, so doctor will get one piece instead of this. Okay, so this is the differences between the regular zirconia FP1 type, which is no pink, and this is called SYTON tie direct with the zirconia cement together. Huge differences. Okay, so after with cementation, we can show you the finer, and then you can choose, or you can consider all the time when you have the big gap, large amount of the panic between, I'm talking about between implant and implant side, is very imperative. And also this one has the tie base, sometimes no tie base, but this one we don't need a tie base already there, so it will not going to fail because one piece, okay, so it's there, so we get the success. I hope this video can help you the better information when you need a full mouth case, when you need the better aesthetic longevity. This is suitable, but compared to SYTON 7 star, but SYTON 7 star is better because I can make it very thin. Okay, very, very thin. But this one I have to make certain thickness from this design. Thanks for watching my channel. This is better light view. You will see it on top of this sleeve over like that. We made it intentionally open here for hygiene because people is not going to open down here. I'm talking about lips. They will be okay, so I prefer open here, then they can get a better hygiene. You know, the hygiene is key, and also we care about longevity here. I hope this one is the best product for this patient. Like I said, thickness I cannot do much about it compared to SYTON 7 star, but we minimize it in a zirconia as close as possible. Also, this was another great prosthetics restoration from LSK 121. So what I'm talking about the frame design, and then I have to get a little bit shoulder design. Okay, so then my final design, when they seat it together and then put perfect matching that area. You know, the most important things, you have to get the more burnishing between the frame is very imperative. Okay, so some people make this ones really thick. No, I don't like that, but I like the zirconia goes to the frame directly. Okay, that's the key. That one I'm trying to give them hygiene as much as possible. And not only this, I can give them the interior aesthetics zone that we can protect it at the upper teeth after we cement this hybrid bar. All right, that's another unique restoration from FP1 style. This is this great option when zirconia is thin and broke. Okay, so this is the perfect option, and that was cool. Seated. It's like that. Make sure everything's good. It is the best solution for cracking issue with the bar and